tinitikitan siya. And she's like, no, Jose.
Hey, no, no, no. Hey, no, no, no. Hey, no, no, no. Hey, no.
Good morning, everybody. It is a new day here in Tagaytay, Philippines, and it's a Sunday. We're gonna go to the gathering now. Here we had our Sunday service this morning and I just did my homework.
Oh, totally.
And
it was a perfect Sunday morning service. Thanks to Reverend Paul.
And we just chilled and watched the movies. And now we're gonna go to Marikina. In the house where my father grew up. House of my grandparents. With my Ate Chaya, we're gonna go do some errands. Errands. By the way, I always wanted to tell you this. I never understood why the hole is here. It's parang, I don't understand. It's not in the center. I don't understand it. I don't. Pandesal. The titos are here. Titas. Filipino driving, everybody. Filipino driving cars and tricycles and whatnot. They just come out of nowhere and you just cross whenever you want and feel it. No, there's an order. It's the chaotic order, and it doesn't work in other countries. You guys, can you see that writing on the wall? That's not graffiti. Bawal umihi. There's a men's urinal there, right on the side. You want to see the inside? I don't think so.
Yeah.
But, hey.
Ew.
Only in the Philippines?
Only the Philippines. We don't know what's happening. We made an order and we haven't paid yet and they gave us money back. Like a lot.
So saan ka na magbayad ng 500 kaya niya kunin? Tapos ibibigay ko na naman, binigyan ako ng sukle. Alam mo, sabi, okay na? Okay na daw.
Bakit may sukle?
Bakit sa kanya hilo siya, lobat? Ano ba siya, left kiss ba siya? Kami right kiss eh. Naintindihan mo, hindi? Lalo lumalo. So everybody, we are at the parlor now. My tita is going to get her hair cut. Tita Connie, galing, she's finished. The doctor is ready. Lunchtime, everybody. Lunchtime, lunch. Ready, 1, 2, 3, smile. Dessert time, everybody. My friend Nene from England, London, is here in the Philippines as well. Nasanay ka na ba? It's Nate. It's Nate now. Hey, remember him? If you don't, we met each other in England, London. Yes, we did.
You can watch the video here.
Reunited with this guy?
Yes. After how many years? 2 years. We only know each other since for 2 years.
We've been talking.
We met probably when we were children. But yeah, you can watch the video. Hey guys. So I don't go to Starbucks that often, but I've been going to Starbucks over the years a lot. So I only have 2 orders: hot hazelnut chocolate cream. The second one is Java chip chocolate cream
Frappuccino. Both of those orders, they don't exist anymore.
I know.
It's so annoying. Yung hot hazelnut chocolate cream, they realize they're making less money, so what they're doing now is they just sell hot chocolate, and if you want it to be caramel or whatnot or hazelnuts, you have to pay extra. Are you kidding me? And then the Java chip chocolate cream, they split the thing. They made it to only chocolate cream or only Java chip. The Java chip, it feels incomplete, and the chocolate is too sweet. So please bring back Java chip chocolate cream and hot hazelnut chocolate. We have to part ways now. Si Kuya Dom, oh, hindi ka kasama.
No, get yourself here now.
We are now going to go through the stores and see which one will get me in. This first shop, I'm not gonna tell you the name. It says buy 3 and you're gonna save 300. That does not lure me in at all. Aldo, wow, that's not gonna lure me in. Oh, Sports Warehouse. Uy, Sports Warehouse, baka may magandang rubber shoes. Okay, that lures me in. Errands. Grabe. Parang ano oh, Wonderland talaga. Hello Sir Mampo. Hello Sir Mampo. Hello Sir Mampo. Guys, I have a question. I talked with my cousins about number 2. Do you want to have a video about it? We were talking about hygiene afterwards. I know, touchy subject. Bakit kan bigla nahihiya?
Sa right side siya. Right side.
Filipinos giving directions. It's the best when 5 do it at the same time, you know. Just in case you need a second opinion.
Go tayo, Nino!
You can do it. I believe in you. Where are we going today? Oh, this is driving in the Philippines. Look, it's super reclined. She's lying. I'm lying. My feet are up here. We have no seatbelts on whatsoever. Philippines, you only put seatbelts in the front. I know it doesn't make any sense, but yeah. And don't. Oh, what's happening? What is happening? This woman. She doesn't want to get the ticket. Tinitikitan siya. And she's like, no, Jose.
Oh my gosh, halatang nag-ano siya.
This is enough.
No?
Oh God. I gotta see this.
Nagpapakute.
Hindi ka cute.
No, pa-bebe.
Hindi ka cute, ate.
They lock the doors. Don't be surprised. It doesn't mean anything bad. It's just safer that way to keep your doors locked while you drive. Anyway, that woman.
20 minutes.
That woman. Hopefully she got the ticket. For her good.
Pa-bebe siya, no?
Give her the ticket. So nice. Uniqlo's not really my store, but Top Man is. Bershka Star I like. I've been asking my friends and family, red one or the red one or the oversized black one. Red 50% for the oversized, 50% for the red. I can't decide. You know what others said? Get both. Sabi ko, anong get both? Mukha ba akong mayaman? Okay guys, I did it. I bought the black one. on second look, second glance, the red one was just a puppy love. I just liked it. But then after 1 hour, I came back. I didn't like it anymore. The black one, so in love, even though it's extra large. Anyway, that's what I bought. Thank you, Tito. We had a nice bonding time between cousins and with our Tito. He sponsored this day. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And now we're just gonna try to get home. But as you just heard, there's traffic everywhere. So other than that, I wish you all a good morning, good afternoon, a good evening wherever you may be. See you soon. Adios. Kume. There's so many funny things that are happening, but I'm not vlogging it. Filipinos are funny.